Hey guys, so today it's day 6. Day 6 to go until graduation. So it's only us 3 with Nicole over here and Lauren over here. So yeah, be ready for that. Hey guys, so today it's Miss Athena's birthday. Yay! And Celine is here. Day 5. Kasi kahapon day 6. First love. Hey guys, so today we're in the school bus. Uy, putik. Ang lapit. Brad! Sayang guys. Before this video played, naggawa siya nung face yung...
What face? What did I do?
Yung ganon. Kasura! So today, it's the final day with my mom and with my father. Graduation day.
Abay, ang anak, mouse.
Bye, guys.
Vicky!
It is the day, the final day.
Ma!
Hey guys! Bradley!
Hindi, mga mothers!
Our ever-supportive CEO of the Philippine School in Greece, Mr. Manfred Nickel, members of the School Board of Management,
our ever-loving and dear school directors and principal, Mrs. Kasia Celia Nickel, our equally loving members of the PSP teaching force and staff,
PTA officials, our beloved parents, guests, completers, and fellow graduates, a pleasant evening. Thank you, and may you have a pleasant evening.
and please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Your height.
We, the graduates of Philippine School in Greece, of the academic year 2021-2022, so help me God. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. As a
Wala, stolen.
I stole it. Nag-post ako. So, okay lang.
Okay na,
Wala na.